Hello everyone. In this video I'll give you a quick overview of AutoCAD GUI. That's the graphic user interface. This is your title bar that you can see in all Windows programs. The title bar contains the application menu button, which contains commands that you can use to process files. And then the quick access toolbar that contains frequently used commands, and here you can see your AutoCAD model and the name of the current drawing file. Now here is your information center, that's info center, where you can seek help actively while using AutoCAD. This is your minimize, maximize, and close buttons. Now, under the title bar, you have your ribbon. Ribbon is here, all the way to this place. The ribbon is divided into tabs and panels or groups. Here is the drawing tabs. Every open file in AutoCAD will be shown here as a tab. So right now I have only 2 tabs. Here is the drawing area. The drawing area is where you do the actual drawing. It's like a graph sheet. Now here is the origin of the drawing area. I'll call it UCS. That's the origin of the graph sheet. Here you have the view control that helps you to control your view orientation, normally used in 3D. Visual style control helps you to control how your object looks, also used in 3D. And you have the view queue. The view queue duplicates the function of the view control and more. And this is navigation bar. This is actually where you can close this particular drawing without closing the whole software. You can minimize, maximize, or restore, and then you can close from here. Now, here is your command line. Command line is a very important component of AutoCAD. You can actually execute commands from here, and it has so many functions, which we will deal with later in the video series. Now this is your status bar. In your status bar you have your model and layout tabs. Model is where we are now, the drawing area where we are drawing. Now the layout tabs are also here, mainly optimized for printing. Here are your drawing aids. There are commands that helps you to draw more effectively and accurately. You can control what is displayed here using the customization here. So we'll get to all this later. That wraps up the overview of the graphic user interface. In the next video, we'll start to take each of these components one by one and explain them in details. Thank you.